As a researcher, the main thing meaningful to me is, when we do research and we come up with a method on managing a pest, and then it gets disseminated to extension officers and farmers, and then they practice that into good use, and then they give you feedback that okay, whatever you told us, we tried, and we have improved our farming. It gives you good that satisfaction that your advice or your recommendation made difference in lives of someone.
Aradhana's project has been really responsive to the needs of Fiji. As you know, the pandemic has impacted the economies of the Pacific, and then Fiji is not any different. Market chains and value chains being limited because of restrictions to travel. Families lose their income and now are unemployed because of businesses closing. And with that, there are restrictions as well for them to find food and to buy food. So the project of Aradhana has been really helping households to produce food on their own that is nutritious and accessible. And that has been really a game changer, as I see it.
Well, I was looking for advice on my way to the research center in Cornivia, and I think I bumped into Aradhana, and she mentioned that probably we can work together through a program she's working on. I've always have passionate for both rugby and farming, and I was looking for ways to incorporate both. Looking at the rise and the level of youth unemployment, why don't we use rugby as a tool, as a vehicle, while they're training? They can come and learn planting their own food, and on that sense, that they can create employment for themselves, like business farming. So with seedling, the only thing you have to do is just go and plant it and look after it. That's the hard job's been done by the ministry, and thanks to, we work well with Mr. Aradhana and the team. Amazing job they did. We couldn't keep up with the seedling they've been giving it to us. I was just being thankful that now, looking at it, we can reach more.
Oh, definitely helped a lot with my family, because we love our tomatoes, and so growing our own will definitely help my family. Planning to secure a large piece of land, a acre something, to start off, and slowly building from there, and for a bigger farm.
It has made it a bit more easier for us from going to the market each day to buy vegetables. It made it a bit more easier for us, harvesting from our own garden. I'm looking at planting a bit more to sell in future.
So now that we've given out all the seeds, the seedlings, now we will go into the farms and study the soil health, soil nutrient of the soil, and also the plant health. We work very closely with the ACIAR project, which is also under ACIAR funded, and we've developed a plant pest, pathogen and weeds app. So we're encouraging, and we're also telling our backyard growers to use that app. Yeah. So we hope that at the end of the project we will have more training resource for them, and also that connection, the network that they have with the ministry and with projects like ACIAR, with SPC. We could have more connection, more networking, and we hope that we can take this project further on. Not only now that we are looking at just pocket of farmers around the central western division, but we'll be able to take it up even to the maritime areas.